Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we have this cool I'm here, and pretty much what this is a Translator earbud. If you can see, for the one that we got right here is a brand called Timekettle. And I actually found about this brand because I actually visited CES this year. And honestly, out of everything I saw at CES, I think this is probably one of the coolest things that I can use, especially when I'm traveling international, when I do go like Japan or Asia, Korea or whatever. So the product is literally what it's called right here. We actually translate the different languages when you guys do use it, or if you have to talking to someone in Japanese, it will translate for you. If you can see on the side right here, they do provide you guys some of the specs and feature about the product. So they mentioned how there's 40 online languages with 93 different accents and 8 offline languages when you guys get the offline version. This one in particular that they sent me, it is the offline version. If you guys get the online version, you guys will not get the offline options. Next thing right here, they mentioned how they actually has a 95% translation accuracy, and the time they translate will not take that long. If you guys turn on the other side right here, they do provide some more specs and features about the product. So they mentioned how it actually has the option for you guys to talk one-on-one with someone else, which is called a simultaneous translation. It does use a bi-directional microphone. And it also mentioned for the microphone that's built in, it actually has the noise cancellation option, so that way you can hear the language accurately. And they also mentioned how it actually has the face-to-face option or the remote translation option. And for the one that we got right here is this one, which is the WT Edge. And if you guys turn to the back, they will tell you guys that this headphone is not for you guys to listen to music or make calls. Literally all it is a translator earbud. And in terms of the battery life that's on here, they mentioned on one full charge, for the case and also the earbud together, it can give you guys 12-hour max. And if you guys only use the earbud, it's 3 hours max per turn. And they mentioned the time to take you guys to fully charge the case and the earbud together is 90 minutes. And the reason why it charges so fast is because it actually has a USB-C option for you to recharge it. So that is everything that's on the package. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys do open up, here's what the product looks like. So the first thing inside, they do provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. So when you do open up, they do have a little QR code underneath my hand for you guys to scan. So that way you can download the guidebook if you guys want to. On the next page right here, I'll show you guys instruction to teach you guys how to download the app, which should be called the Timekettle app. So I'll show you guys what it actually looks like in a second. Underneath that, we do have the product. If you can see, for the one that got right here is a black color. They do have this available in white color as well. So if you guys prefer the white one, you can get that instead. But before we show you guys the product, let me show you guys what's underneath it. So let's do take it out. Once you guys do take it out, you can see we do have some more stuff. So right here, it looks like they do give you guys some kind of fish card that you can use online. Underneath that, we do have another user manual to teach you guys how to use it. In the very bottom, we do have some more accessory. So let's do take it out. The first box that we have right here, they do provide us some backup ear tips if you guys need to replace it. So if you guys do open it, that is what the product looks like. So they provide guys a total of 4 of them. There's 2 more inside and 2 here. And the last box that we have right here, they do provide you guys a USB to USB-C cable that's in use to recharge the product. And right here, they do provide an accessory that's in use to wrap around your ear. So we have to open it. Here's what the product looks like. Now let me show you guys what the product looks like before I download the app. So once you guys do take it out, this is what the case looks like. You can see how it actually has a brand name on there, Timekettle. On the back right here, they do have the option for the plug-in cable to recharge it, which is USB-C. And the front part right here, if you guys do open it, that is what the inside looks like. So the way how they designed the earbuds right here, it looks like an AirPod. But I mentioned for this product, you guys cannot use it for phone calls and you guys cannot use it for music. It's only for translation. So for the first time using the product, you do want to take it out and peel out the tape. So that way you can use the charging option. So let's do that first. Once you guys peel it out, if you guys put it back on, once you guys put it on, you can see the light does turn on. So that means it is charging. But now I'm plugging in cable to show you guys how to charge it. So let's do plug in cable. Once you guys do plug in cable, you can see in front right here, they do have the indicator light to show you guys that it's charging. So let's do plug in cable. Once you guys do plug it in, you can see in the front right here, it does show you guys the indicator light to show you guys that it's charging. So once all 4 lights turns on, then that means fully charged. So let's do unplug it. And see how all 4 lights turns on. So that means fully charged. So that is how you guys charge the product. Now let's download the app and then show you guys what the app looks like, and then we'll test it out. So the app that you want to download should be called Timekettle. Once you guys do download the app, this is what the app looks like. So what you can do is create an account first. Once you guys finish creating an account, you guys want to select the device you guys do have. So in this case, we do have this one. So I tell you guys to take out the earbud and move it closer to the phone. So I'm actually do that first. So I want to take it out and take it out from the case. Once you guys do take it out, you can see I found the device. So I don't connect it. So now we got connected for both of them. And you can see on here, it does show you guys the battery percentage for each one of the earbud. So currently both of them are 60%. And for the earbud, you do have the option to use both of them at the same time or just one of them. And you also have the option to give one to your friend to use. And you guys can use the other side if you guys want to. But once you got it done, you guys can click on OK. And here's what the app looks like once you guys do set it up. So you do have the sim mode, listen mode, speaker mode or touch mode. So once you guys do put it on, this is what the earbud looks like. And then here's the other side. And once you guys do put it on, it does have a little bit of like a noise isolation technology. And when you guys do put it onto your ear, it actually feels pretty comfortable. It doesn't feel like super secure, but it actually feels really nice against your ear. So if you feel too loose, feel free to use accessory that they provide for you guys. So for example, if you put it on, just go like this. And that way you wrap it around your ear for a much more secure fit. So just like that, if you guys want to. Feel free to do the same thing for the other one. So once you guys do put it on, it definitely feels a lot more secure once you guys put in an accessory. So now let's test it out and see how it works. So I think what I'm gonna do right now is use the listen mode. So I'm gonna see once you guys do click on it, it show you guys how to use it on here and what to do when you guys are done. But for example, if you guys use the listen mode option, you can see on top right here, it gives you guys the option to select what it's on use. So whether you guys can translate from Chinese to English, Korean to English, or Japanese to English or whatever, you do have the option selected and change whatever you guys want. Same thing for this side as well. You can see there's a lot of different options available on here when you guys do scroll down. Like I mentioned, there's 40 different languages on here and 93 accent. So let's try to use the Chinese option to English and see how that works. So let's do test it out. Let's see what happens. Hello, 你哋好。我個名係 Chris。呢個耳機好犀利，我好鍾意。我去 CES 見到呢個 company 好犀利，可以講中文、英文乜都得。你可以講乜嘢話都得，佢哋都明白。So that's a quick little test to show you guys it actually works really well if you can see. And then once I'm done using it, I can press the bottom. And it goes back to the main page. So you can see the accuracy that's on here actually works pretty well. It's not 100% accurate. You can see how sometimes it does mess up. So pretty much I was talking in Chinese, but what I said was hello everyone, my name is Chris. This earbud is really awesome. I went to CES and actually discovered this company that's actually really cool. You guys can literally speak in any language and they'll understand. And that is what I said in Chinese and actually translated pretty well. So that is how you guys use the listen mode option. If you guys want to use the touch mode, the speaker mode, or anything else, feel free to do so. Let me show you guys what the other mode looks like. So this will be touch mode. So with touch mode, they show you guys how to use it. So pretty much what is touch mode is that you guys touch it to speak and you guys take turn with the other person. And if you guys go back, if you guys use speaker mode, this is what speaker mode looks like. So speaker mode is using the phone. So we have to test it out. This is what the page looks like for speaker mode. So I can take turn to tap on the bottom to speak. Hello, 你好。我個名係 Chris，你叫乜名啊？ If you guys want to switch off to English. Hi, my name is Chris. What's your name?
Hi, 我叫克里斯。你叫名未啊？
I found out about this brand from CES and they're actually really cool.
我計劃喺 CES 上建立呢個分支，佢哋實際上真係好好。
If you guys want to change a different language, feel free to tap on the top and change it. So now I have it set in Japanese. So when I talk on here, everything is translated into Japanese.
そして今は日本語に設定しているので、今私たちが話すことはすべて日本語です。
So I can see it actually works pretty well and it's actually really cool.
ですから、実際には非常にうまく機能し、実際には非常にクールであることがわかります。
And once you are done, you can tap on the bottom, just like the other mode as well. And we have to tap on it. You can see there's a lot of different options available on here for you guys as well. So there's a lot of different languages on here. And if you guys go back, if you guys click on this one, here's how you guys use this one. And how this one works is that you guys wear one the earbud and you give the other one to the other person so that when you talk to them one-on-one, you don't have to press any button or anything, it just does it for you, which is pretty awesome. So here's what the page looks like for this one. Once you guys are ready to use it, you guys want to tap right here. And it starts working immediately. So what just happened is that I heard it from this ear instead of this ear when I speak English. And I'm hearing the Japanese from this side. And this side I hear English. So it's actually really cool how this product works. If you see the way how it lays out, one side for you guys to read and one for the other side. So once you're done, you can tap right here and that will turn it off. And that is everything that's on the product. So once you guys are done using it, you guys want to take it out, take this part out, put it back in the case to recharge it. Same thing for our side. Once you guys put it back inside, you can close it up and it's all set. So very easy and very simple for us to use it if you can see. And when you guys do use it, if you can see, it's actually pretty cool how it should help you guys translate everything on the spot. Even though the accuracy is not 100%, when you guys do use it, it's actually very close. And like I mentioned, I saw this company or this brand at CES and they actually did a demo. So I'm actually showing you guys that quick little video of that test really quick. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Welcome back, guys. So nice a quick test of product definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. You can see how cool that test is with the two people talking. One was talking in Spanish and one was talking in Mandarin. Honestly, I think this is probably one of the coolest products ever, especially if you guys travel often to like other countries. For example, if you guys go to Japan or Korea or anything else, having one of these is actually really helpful. Like for me, honestly, I cannot wait to use this when I do travel to like Japan, Korea, or anywhere else. So that way I can talk to the other person on the other end, and that way there won't be any language barrier, which is pretty awesome. Another benefit of using the product is so that way when you guys go to different places, maybe if you guys don't speak the language and they're talking behind your back, if you guys have this product, you guys will know exactly what they're talking about. So that is another benefit of using one of these earbuds, which is really cool. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys will need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for some high quality translator device, similar to what this device can do, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, that obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.